Hey everyone! Today I want to share something that has really impressed me lately. I've been a chef for over 10 years, and of course I've always used knives from well-known brands, the kind you pay top dollar for and expect the best. But this one, the Matsato, completely blew me away. Let me tell you why it's become my favorite knife, and how it could be exactly what you're looking for, without breaking the bank. I got the Matsato earlier this month, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect. When I took it out of the packaging, I was really impressed with the quality. The packaging is top-notch. It almost feels like a gift. I knew that, for the price, I wasn't expecting something from a famous brand. But this knife surprised me from the start. One of the first things that caught my attention was the weight. It has a solid, well-balanced feel that really surprised me for a knife at this price point. The cut? Incredible. It feels like the blade just glides through the food effortlessly. I've cut meat, fish, vegetables, all with a level of precision that I honestly wasn't expecting from a knife that's this affordable. The blade is so sharp, you barely even notice you're cutting. It's almost like the food is being embraced by the blade. I'm really picky when it comes to my knives, and the Matsato has been a great surprise. It comes sharp, very sharp, and the best part is that it holds that edge for a long time. I've always been a bit skeptical of cheaper knives, but this one has really proven to be durable. When I compare it to other, more expensive knives I've used, I can honestly say the Matsato performs just as well, if not better, in some areas. And of course, I bought mine directly from the manufacturer's official site, and I'd recommend you do the same. The product is available on Amazon too, but it seems there's a price advantage buying directly from the manufacturer's site. Plus, you're guaranteed to receive the highest quality materials and a real warranty. I'll leave the official Matsato website in the description below. If you're thinking about grabbing this amazing knife right now, just click the link and place your order. By the way, one of the biggest things that stood out to me was the value for money. I've used knives from brands like Wüsthof, Henkels, and others, and I can honestly tell you that for a much lower price, the Matsato offers very similar, if not superior, performance in some areas. And you know what else? It's proven to be incredibly durable. In the past, any knife I used regularly would lose its edge pretty quickly, but this one keeps cutting like it's brand new every time. Another thing I really appreciated is the focus on safety. I'm the kind of chef who has a ton of knives lying around, but when the blade is this sharp, it's nice to have a safe place to store it. The Matsato comes with a leather sheath that's perfect for this. It keeps the blade protected and helps prevent accidents. And since I have big hands, this extra protection really makes a difference. I know that when we're looking for a new knife, there's always that doubt, right? Is it really going to be worth it? Is it going to be any good? And I can say with total confidence that the Matsato exceeded my expectations. I'm genuinely impressed with this knife. It's been my go-to in the busiest kitchens, and the best part is, I didn't have to spend a fortune for it. And look, I'm not one to pay a lot for things that don't deliver, so this knife really won me over. If you're looking for a knife that'll help you in the kitchen every day, without costing you an arm and a leg, I really recommend the Matsato. If you click the link down below, you'll secure yours, and I promise you won't regret it.